Hi! Hello for today's vlog, mga Pams! Happy Monday to everyone and happy Sunday evening for us. So for today's vlog, we're craving noodles. So today, we're taking noodles for our dinner. Yeah, as you can see, that's a spicy noodles. And look at my little one. She's having a spicy noodles. And milk on the side. And my pretty eldest daughter, there you go. They love spicy. Nahawa na sila, kakakain ng spicy sa akin. How's your spicy noodles? Good. What about you, ate?
Good.
See, guys? That's what it is. And a boiled egg. So this is the leftover from our lunch. We got steak barbecue. Yeah, for lunch, and this is leftover. Maybe later my husband will gonna eat that one. So here, guys, when we're eating spicy or noodles, I don't put all those spicy seasonings because it's maalat. So tamang tamang lasa lang because medyo ina-avoid ko yung maalat na pagkain for us at least, but we're eating noodles not as much as possible, maybe once a week only. Yeah, and I'm also telling that girl, and she loved noodles. Yeah, I told her not eat every day because noodles not good also. Yeah, we can eat noodles, but not every day. Yeah, not every day. Yeah. And after we eat noodles, we need to drink a lot of water. Right, girls?
Yes.
Good job. Spicy noodle. Mga Pams, siya ganong manghang kasi hindi ko nilagay lahat yung seasoning, which is good. Para hindi rin siya ganong maalat.
Wow, this is so big. I have to eat this.
Thank you for watching, mga Pams, and thank you for those who subscribe. Please watch and follow.